Have you ever wondered if energy healing could be the missing piece in your wellness journey? What if the key to unlocking profound transformation lies in harnessing the power of Reiki? Let's dive into how this ancient practice can completely change your life. Hi, I'm Banatia from Aware Multimedia. I create digital marketing content for wellness entrepreneurs. If that's you, then continue watching. Reiki is more than just a form of energy healing. It's a profound practice that connects you with the universal life force energy. Developed in Japan, Reiki involves a gentle laying on of hands and channeling energy to promote healing and balance. Reiki operates on the principle that energy flows through our bodies and can become blocked, leading to physical or emotional issues. By channeling healing energy, Reiki helps to clear the blocks and restore harmony. While many people are familiar with the basic Reiki techniques, there are advanced practices that can amplify the healing process. Techniques such as distance healing and using the Reiki symbols can enhance the energy flow and target specific issues more effectively. To deepen my understanding, I did a lot of research on Reiki practitioners to understand their experiences and insights and how they integrated Reiki into their daily life and practice. Reiki, when integrated, can lead to profound changes, from reducing stress to enhancing personal growth. You don't need to be a Reiki master like me to benefit from this practice. Incorporating simple self-Reiki techniques into your daily routine can help maintain balance and well-being. Start with a few minutes each day and gradually integrate more advanced practice as you become more comfortable. Reiki offers a powerful way to connect with your inner self and transform your life. Whether you're seeking physical healing or spiritual growth, embracing Reiki can open doors to new possibilities. Start your journey today and experience the profound effect of energy healing. If you find this video helpful, then you'll enjoy the 4 techniques every wellness entrepreneur should know. It goes into details on how to use energy healing to find new ways to improve your life, connect with your inner self, and achieve a balanced and fulfilled life. And if you want more insights into Reiki and other holistic practices on your spiritual business journey, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and share your experience, or ask questions in the comments below. Until next time, keep shining bright, and I'll see you in the next video.